stack of new Dorsey combo drop deck trailers just arrived at Midco Sales trailer dealership in Chandler, Arizona. These trailers measure 53 feet long. They have an air ride sliding suspension and polished outer aluminum wheels. A reinforced coil package allows these trailers to haul steel coils. An aluminum toolbox is mounted on the driver's side. Other features include an airway scale, sliding winch tracks, stake pockets, and recessed chain ties. Midco Sales is an authorized Dorsey trailer dealer. Visit midcosales.com to learn more about any of the Dorsey drop decks and flatbeds in stock.